Today I am going to explain about digital to analog converter. So here digital information is in the form of binary, means zeros and ones. Analog information, that's like continuous information, voltage, current, temperature, pressure and time, these all are available in analog form. Even though analog signal represents a real physical parameter with some accuracy, it is difficult to process, store or transmit the analog signal without introducing any error. For security purpose, you have to convert analog information into digital. And also for better accuracy and reduce the noise, the operation of any digital communication system is based upon analog to digital converter and digital to analog converter. So most typical application you can use digital to analog converter and analog to digital converter. For converting digital to analog converter, you have to know about resolution. Here resolution is also called step size. It is smallest possible change at the output of digital to analog converter. Resolution is smallest change of possible change at the output of digital to analog converter for any change in input. Means for small change in input, what amount of output will be changing at the output, that is known as resolution or step size. And next one is full scale output voltage. FSO is equals to number of steps into step size. How many number of steps here? 2, that is represented with 2 into 2 power n minus 1 into step size. Here step size or resolution is indicating with k. K is equals to full scale output by 2 whole to the power of n minus 1. And third formula is analog output is equals to resolution into digital input. For example, a 5-bit digital to analog converter has a current output for digital input of 10100 and output of 10 milliamp is produced. What will be the output I0 for given input? Actually initially what is the input here? 10100. For this output is 10 milliamps. That input is converted into first decimal. So 10100 is equals to 20. So what is the formula here? Analog output is equals to resolution into digital input. First you have to know about the K or resolution. Then from that you can find out easily output for this digital information. Similarly here analog output is equals to 10 milliamps is equals to K into digital output is what? 20. From that K equals to 0.5 milliamps. Similarly, what is the input? 31101. For that decimal value is 29 base 10. Analog output is equals to resolution into digital output. So already we know about resolution. So that is 0.5 milliamps into 29. That is equals to this one. So from that you can easily calculate that analog output from digital. ఏమైంది అవునా ఏమంటుండు నేను ఇక్కడే ఉన్నా Here V0 is equals to what? Feedback resistance into I0. So here V0 equals to I0 into RF is equals to VR by R into I0 value substituted here. If RF equals to R, at that case these RF and R would be cancelled, and finally VR into D1 2 power minus 1, D2 2 power minus 2 up to Dn into 2 power minus and here this RF by R will shows resolution, that is equal means K equals to 1, and the reference voltage would be equals to V full scale output. Suppose digital to, if the input is 100, then equivalent circuit would become like this. So here 1000 initial bit, here it is connected to 0, that's why it is connected to ground, and here second bit is also ground, and third bit is 0, third bit is also connected to ground. Here finally last bit MSB bit equals to 1, that would be connected to reference voltage. For the circuit, equivalent circuit would be like these two resistors are in parallel, so equivalent resistance is R. R plus R is series 2R. Like that, the final circuit would be like this. So here apply voltage divider rule. Here V input is output for the circuit and input for the operational amplifier. So here V input is equals to V into 2R by total resistance, 2R plus 2R. So here input is V by 2. This is the input for operational amplifier. Similarly, for input 0010, V input equals to 1 V by 8. When input is 001, at that case V input equals to V by 6. So the op amp complete output for that R to R ladder is V output equals to minus RF by, means it is like acts as inverting summing amplifier. For inverting summing amplifier, output equals to minus RF into V1 by R1 plus V2 by R2 plus V3 by R3 plus V4 by R4. Here minus RF into, here the bits are D0 by 2R plus D0 by D1 by 4R plus D2 by 8R plus D3 by 16R into V. Here V1 equals to D0 by 2, V2 equals to D1 by 4 plus V3 equals to D2 by 8. Similarly, V4 equals to D3 by 16. From that we can convert that digital information into analog converter.